In this video, I will show you how to change your email on your Amazon account. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started, what you want to do is head over to Amazon and log into your account. I'll be doing this on amazon.co.uk, but the process is the same for whatever part of the world you're in. Now once you're logged in, come and hover over your name at the top here, and what you want to do is give that a click, which is going to take you to a screen like this. From here you're going to see a option which says login and security. Give that a click, and what you need to do is just enter your passwords to get into your login details. So once you've logged in, you'll be taken to this screen and you're going to see some information about your account. Now you can see your actual current email address here, and to change this all you need to do is click the edit button next to your email. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to this screen where you can enter the email address that you want to change to. So I'm just going to change to my Tech Tutor email. So I'm going to enter that into the box here. And once you've done that, you can click the yellow change email address button just down here. Now, what they're going to do next is verify your email address. So they're going to send a security code to the email address that you're changing to. So what you want to do is log into your email and grab that security code. And then what you can do is click the verify button underneath. So once you've done that, I've already got that for a different Amazon account, but it's going to take you back to this screen and your email address should now be updated. So that's how to change email on your Amazon account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.